Can I register Newton Crypto online? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to register for Newton Crypto and how to send BTC from your account. I know that there are a lot of people who are interested in getting started with crypto, but who are unsure about how to do it. So, I'm here to help you out. What is Newton Crypto? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Newton Crypto is. Newton Crypto is a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. How to register for Newton Crypto. Now that you know what Newton Crypto is, let's talk about how to register for an account. Go to the Newton Crypto website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password. Click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, you will need to verify your identity. To do this, you will need to provide Newton Crypto with a copy of your government-issued ID. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to start trading cryptocurrencies. How to send BTC from Newton. Now that you have a Newton Crypto account, let's talk about how to send BTC from your account. Log in to your Newton Crypto account. Click on the Portfolio tab. Select the BTC tab. Click on the Send button. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Tips for sending BTC from Newton. Make sure that the address you are sending BTC to is correct. Double-check the amount of BTC you are sending. Once you have sent BTC, there is no way to get it back. Conclusion. That's all there is to it. I hope this video has helped you learn how to register for Newton Crypto and how to send BTC from your account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Newton Crypto is a regulated exchange. Newton Crypto offers a variety of features, including a mobile app, a desktop app, and a web-based platform. Newton Crypto offers competitive fees. Call to action. If you are interested in getting started with crypto, I encourage you to sign up for a Newton Crypto account today. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency.